In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Asana. Whether you're new to this productivity tool or a seasoned pro, keeping your app up to date is essential to benefit from the latest features and improvements. Let's dive into the steps together. First, you'll need to open your Asana desktop app. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download and set it up for easy access to all your tasks and projects. Once it's open, the first thing you'll do is enter your email address. Be sure to use the same email connected to your Asana account, as this will let you access all your existing projects seamlessly. After entering your email, the next step is to click on the Sign in to Asana button. This action will redirect you to your web browser to complete the login process. It's important to wait for this transition, as any interruption might require you to start the login process over again. Now, you'll find yourself on the Asana browser page where you need to enter your email address once more. After doing so, click on the Continue button. Following this, input your password carefully, remember to make sure your caps lock isn't accidentally turned on, and watch out for any errors. Click Login to proceed. Once you're successfully logged in, you may be prompted to allow Asana to launch on your desktop app. Go ahead and allow this to happen, as it will ease your workflow, letting you manage tasks directly from the app. Now let's move on to ensuring your app is up to date. In the Asana app, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. A drop down menu will appear, and from there select Settings. This will bring up a new window where you should already be under the General tab. In this section you can find the current version of your Asana app. Look for any notifications indicating that an update is available. If you see a button prompting you to check for updates, click it. This will initiate a quick search for the most recent version of the app. In case an update is indeed available, simply follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Staying up to date with the latest version of Asana ensures you have access to new features, enhanced security, and improved functionality. By following these straightforward steps, you keep your productivity at its peak. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to update Asana. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.